Give me a break.
I have a question real quick.
Yes.
Okay. I think I did this one right, but I'm not sure. Because I didn't have to go back through and factor again afterwards.
Whoa. Oh. That's negative 4 minus 4. It ain't 0. You should add 4 to both sides, and then they all cancel.
Oh, yeah. My bad, yeah. Oh, Shicey's Batman, that's why.
Alright. Weird day.
So this guy
Damn it.
is the only piece you can factor. I was going to touch it. So now, what's this guy missing? X minus 2. He's missing the other thing. I like it. So you cancel all those.
Now, I always try to remember, I really want to make sure you guys understand, I am multiplying by it, that's why they all cancel.
Don't just start crossing them off, because then you start killing fractions everywhere. Almost killing spree.
Here I go.
So you get
And this always freaks people out when this happens, but
and I'm like, what do I do? But you know what to do. Have you got all your x's together yet? That's a very basic thing to do in solving equations. I don't care that it looks weird. I know what to do next.
get my X stuff together.
And I don't care what's over here, what I'm going to do to make x by itself.
Divide.
Divide by 3. Don't let him tell you, this is what tells me what to do.
3. So X equals 0.
Some people throw it out just because they think 0 is bad. 0 is not bad. Does 0 make anything freak out? Nope. Right? Only 2 and 1 would make this stuff freak out. You guys alright? Okay, I like it. Oh man.
It's the final countdown.
What about bound? So the only piece here you can factor is this guy. And again, that GCF will always kick you in the ass if you don't notice it. So he's missing a X. He's missing a minus 1. So the bottoms cancel because I'm going to multiply by it, blah, blah, blah. Because it's an equation, I'm allowed to do that. Yes, I will say that every time. So here I get 2x squared. 3x minus 3. Get there. Plus 2. So we see 2x squared, subtract 3x. That's negative 1, add 1. Get it equal to 0 because of this crazy squared dude. Will this factor? Yes. Watch. Only one way to factor 2, only one way to factor 1. And they both have to be minus so that it comes out to be minus 3.
How'd you get 1?
Where? Oh, here?
Yeah.
So what's this side? 3x, negative 3 plus 2 is? Negative 1. Then you subtract 3x and you add 1.
Gotcha.
You get it equal to 0. Like,
Gotcha. I was tripping. Okay. Yeah, that one went
I was
fast.
surprised we get it wrong. So then either x is 1 or x is 1/2. Kick ass. Are both of those okay? No. Which one sucks? 1. Kill him. Yay. The last step, the very last thing you do is see if it makes anybody freak out. And if it does make a freak out, throw it out. Alright. Now this one I got you ready for. What do you do first? Good. This guy, of course, is... So he needs a... And he needs x squared minus 9, kick ass.
You need both, and that's what both is. Both do be. So then I can kill the bottoms because it's an equation. So here I get right? 3x squared minus 27 minus 2x equals 13x minus 39. Stop there for a minute. What's up?
Yeah, you speed racing a little bit, Jeff. I'm keeping up with you, but
I'll stop.
sorry.
Spend less time discussing how behind you are and more time catching up. All right. So then what do I do?
Move it over and
There's no like terms at the moment, right? Until I get it equal to, because of the, yeah. So this side is 0. Let me put things in order at the same time. 3x squared plus 15x plus 12. And it'll still work if you do 3 times 12, but why do you not have to do that? Because all of these are divisible by 3. So let me divide them by 3. So I get x squared minus 5x plus 4, and that's nice dash nice. That was creepy, Jeff.
negative 4, negative 4.
All right, I'll do it that way. And then you get, it's like cool. I sped up again, I'm sorry.
X equals 1,
Yeah, x equals 1. 4, do either one of them make anybody freak out? What's the only step that would make it freak out?
Positive 3.
3 and negative 3. I didn't get those. I'm good. They both work.
Goodness game.
So you get one answer, 2 answers, no answers.
So instead of throwing the GCF out, you just divided it.
Yes. Yeah. Because I have an equation. I don't have to keep track of it. I can just kill it right away.
Yeah.
I agree. I think that's enough. So next time, guess what? I know you've been waiting. You've been very patient. So next time we will finally get word problems related to rational equations.
No, we don't have to
I'm
do
sorry,
that.
it's taken a while.
You can take your time.
You're so funny, Jeff. No, like you pointed out, I'm a